Hi everyone. In this video, we'll talk about finding lots of featured snippet opportunities using Semrush. Now, what are featured snippets? Probably know that already, but it's that brief answer which is shown when you search for something. It's at the top of search results, above or below ads, but it's that one answer pulled directly from a website. It's also called position 0 because it's technically above the position 1 result. So to rank for that, you need to optimize and write your content in a certain way. But this video is not about how to optimize it. It's just finding keywords and ideas and content to optimize for. So finding those opportunities on your website. There are 3 ways that we can do that using Semrush. Why Semrush? Because I always say that it's just my favorite SEO tool and I use it to find so much detailed insights and data that a lot of other SEO tools cannot give it. I've tried like so many of them over the last 7 years and I've always come back to Semrush. All right, so let's get started. But before we do, if you don't have Semrush, then sign up for a free trial. You will see links in the description. They're my affiliate links. It'll give you 14-day trials. So try them out and yeah, let's dive in. So the first way to find featured snippet opportunities is to look at the keywords you're already tracking. So you go to your position tracking, you select a project and you go into it and we will see all the keywords that you've been tracking, you're not ranking for, or any particular domain is not ranking for, but there are keywords in featured snippets. So you can try to target those. So let's say I look at a domain here and I look at top 10 because it's easier for a website or for a URL for a page to rank in featured snippets if they're already in the top 10. And let's say I find a keyword here, how to get noticed on Google. So this domain is on position 5 and this is the featured snippet URL. So you can analyze this URL and see what they are doing good, what content they are covering, and how potentially you can get tips from them to rank on the featured snippet position. Now we come to the second way of finding featured snippet opportunities, which is by competition research. So we already see that this website has a featured snippet opportunity. So I'm just going to open this up in keyword overview and see what are the domains, the URLs ranking for it, and how can potentially I get some ideas on featured snippet opportunities, because domains that are ranking for featured snippets probably are ranking for many keywords similar to mine. So I get ideas from there. So here, now when I put it here and I can do update metrics and I get the latest information. And I see that even though over there it said Wix, this data was like probably a day old. And today Wix is in position 4 and WordStream is in position 1. First of all, let's look at the SERP. It already says it's a featured snippet here. We look at the SERP and we see what exactly is in the featured snippet. So you see here that it is 15 ways and it's listing the number of ways. So Google likes the number of ways as a listicle article to be on the featured snippet. All right, so that's one idea. Now we explore this domain in more detail. So we click on search traffic because that's how we can open organic research and get more ideas. So now we've opened this organic URL up and I'm going to click on root domain because this is the second way that we will find our featured snippet opportunities by looking at competition. So I click on root domain over here and then I click on overview. All right, now we have for different countries, we have the traffic and we have all the details over here. So we scroll down to this part, which is the SERP features. And you see featured snippets. There are 1,500 keywords for which this website ranks in featured snippet. But when it says not linking to domain, it means that this website ranks for about 74,000 keywords, but it does not, those featured snippets don't link to this domain, links to something else. So let's look at here, featured snippet opportunities from here. All right. Now we have it. So you see here it says featured snippets domain ranks. So these are all the keywords that this particular website has ranks for featured snippets. And you see many of them are quite long tail keywords. So that's one way that you can find more opportunities. Then look at the content, look at the URL that's ranking, and try to analyze why it's ranking. And maybe you can do something similar or different to try to target that opportunity. So that is the second way that you can find featured snippet opportunities. The third way that we're going to find featured snippet opportunities are with the keyword magic tool. So let's just start with the keyword, which is related to the one that we were looking for, website noticed on Google. So let's say I'm going to start with website traffic, just to get a broad idea of different keywords possible and different optimization opportunities. So now that we have a list of these 14,000 keywords, let me go to advanced filters, SERP features, and then specifically choose featured snippet and then apply. Now we have all these keywords that are possible that have featured snippets. So if you want to see how it looks like, you just click on this link here and it shows you the SERP. How do I see other websites' traffic? And you have this website which is ranking on the top, Monster Insights. Then if you want to check out the SERP of this, you click here, etc. So you will see exactly what is the featured snippet which is ranking, what is the website information, what is the content that's ranking as the featured snippet. All right, but these are a lot of different keywords. So let's 125, which is not too much actually. But if you want to filter it down further, you can look at, what is the most appropriate and relevant for your domain. So which are the ones that you are ranking for, or any domain, doesn't have to be yours, of course, your clients or whoever. Now, let's say I want to see for Semrush, what are the possibilities? What are they not ranking for right now and they can rank for? So here, for example, if you have how to boost traffic to your website, you see they're in position 18. Now, ideally, I would target a keyword which is in position 1 to 10, but it is still a possibility. So here you have top traffic website. They're already in position 1. So let's look at this one, how to check the website traffic. It's 260, though the trend is declining, but still a possibility. If I want to, and then you look at the SERP, and you see here that you have sponsored, you have all the ads, and you have the AI overview, and then you have Rank Math, which is ranking as a featured snippet. So Semrush, which is ranking way below here, there is possibility to take this in the featured snippet place, right? So then you can filter it down to the positions of, let's say 1 to 10 or like 4 and 6 and try to get optimized for those. So that's a third way that you can find featured snippet opportunities to rank for, which are specific for your domain. Hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for a lot of more content on Semrush, SEO, and boosting your website traffic.